Good morning, children. I am very happy to meet you all again in this session. Today, we are going to learn the subject Social Studies. Today, we are going to learn the subject Social Studies. In this, today we are going to do the model test paper. Before moving on to that, you are going to do this page number 51. What you have to do? Read the clues and paste the pictures. You have to read the clues. Here you have white color boxes, no? Yes. And the alphabets are there, no? A, B, C, D and E. And B is my mother. Where is B? Here you have to paste the picture of your mother. And then E is my grandmother. Here you have to paste the picture of your grandmother. And A is me. A, it is you. You have to paste your photo here. And D is my grandfather. You have to paste your grandfather picture here. And C is my father. You have to paste the picture of your father here. You have to complete this in your book. Shall we pass on to the model test paper? Yes. Now we are going to do the model test paper. Model test paper for lessons 1 to 8. Part A, circle the correct answers. Circle the correct answers. Number 1 question, the things we eat are called clothes or food. Which is the correct one? The things we eat are called food. Very good. And then number 2, yeah, cat or raincoat keeps us dry when it rains. What shall we do when it's raining? We use cat or raincoat. We use raincoat. And then number 3, we must never share our hanky or books with anyone. Which we shouldn't share? Hanky or books. Hanky means handkerchief. Which one we shouldn't share? We shouldn't share our hanky. And then number 4, when mommy says thank you, I say welcome or please. If you do any work for your mother and your mommy is telling thank you dear, what shall you do at that time? You have to say welcome. What you have to say? Welcome. And number 5, a joint or small family has father, mother and children. Joint family, more members are there. Small family, only father, mother and children. So the answer is small family. Shall we do this? Take a pencil and do this. The things that we eat are called food. Circle the answer. And then, yeah, cat or raincoat keeps us dry when it rains. Yeah, raincoat. Number 3, we must never share our hanky or books with anyone. Hanky or books? Hanky. When mommy says thank you, I say welcome or please. We have to say welcome. A joint or small family has father, mother and children. Yeah, small family. You complete this, no? Shall we move on to the next one? Now we are going to do the 6th one. Look at here. We go to a park to study or play. Why we go to park? To study our lessons? No, we play in the park. So you have to circle play. And then number 7, when we are sick, our parents or friends look after us. Who look after us? Your parent. When you are not feeling well, when you get fever, who look after you? Your parents or your friends? Your parents. So you have to circle parents. And then number 8, we cook food in the kitchen or washroom. Where we cook the food? Where we cook the food? Where your mummy cook the food? She cooked the food in the kitchen, otherwise in the washroom. She cooked the food in the kitchen. Yes, very good. And then number 9, a lion lives in a hole or den. We learn about the homes of animals, no? Yes. Where does the lion live? It lives in a hole. It's a hole. Inside the small hole, the lion can enter. No, it lives in a den. Very good. Number 10, a frog or fish can live both on land and in water. Which one lives both on land and in water? Very good. You all are telling the correct answer, frog. Now we are going to do the answer. Shall we do it? Number 1 is play. Okay. And then when we are sick, our parents look after us. We cook food in the kitchen. A lion lives in a den. A frog can live both on land and in water. You all complete this, children. Shall we pass on to the next exercise? Now we are going to do part B. Part B, fill in the blanks, choose words from the apple. Here you have apple, no? Yes, here you have some options. What are the options are there? CLEAN, clean, RINSE, rinse, STABLE, stable, JOINT, joint, COTTON, cotton. Now, shall we read the question? Number 1, we must dash our mouth after we eat anything. What we have to do after eating anything? We should clean our mouth, otherwise rinse our mouth, stable our mouth, joint our mouth, or cotton our mouth. What we have to do? We have to rinse. RINSE, rinse, we have to write here. And then number 2, we wear dash clothes in summer. What type of clothes we wear? We wear cotton clothes. Very good. What's the spelling? COTTON, cotton. We have to write here. Number 3, we must keep our nails. How we have to keep our nails? We have to keep our nails clean. What's the spelling for clean? CLEAN, clean. And then number 4, a very large family is called dash family. Very large family, joint, JOINT, joint. A dash is where we keep horses. How we call the name of the horse home? We call it as stable. What's the spelling for stable? STABLE, stable. Shall we write the answer in the dash now? Number 1, we must rinse. What's the spelling for rinse? RINSE. We must rinse our mouth. And then we wear dash clothes in summer, cotton, COTTON, cotton. You should say the spelling and write. Okay, children? We must keep our nails clean. CLEAN, clean. A very large family is called a joint. JOINT, joint family. A dash is where we keep horses. What's the last option? Last one we didn't complete it. Stable. STABLE, stable. Okay. Now you complete this, no? Shall we pass on to the next one? Now we are going to do part C. Write T for true and write F for false. Number 1. A nurse wears a uniform to work. Nurses wear uniform, no? Doctors wear uniform, police officers wear uniform, no? Nurses also wear one white frock, no? Yes. So they also wear uniform to work. It is true. And then number 2, we must drink clean water. We must drink clean water only. We have to drink dirty water? No, we have to drink clean water. So it is true. And then number 3, we should not save water. We should not save water. No, daily we are using so much of water. Daily we need water, so we should save it. Shall we do this? First one, nurses wear uniform. That's true. And we must drink clean water. That's true. We should not save water. That is false. Now we are going to do the fourth and fifth one in true or false. Fourth one, father and mother are called parents. It's true only, no? Father and mother are called parents. Yes. And then number 5, a bee lives in a coop. A bee lives in a coop? No. Which one lives in a coop? A hen only lives in a coop. Where the bee lives? The bee lives in a hive. So this question is false. Shall we write this? Father and mother are called parents. That is true. A bee lives in a coop. That is false. You all completed? Shall we move on to the next one? Now we are going to do part 3. Draw lines to match. Draw lines to match. Number 1, bedroom. Number 2, lobster. Number 3, sheep. Number 4, sorry. Number 5, mother's father. Okay, and look at this yellow box. Option A, yeah, magic word. Option B, gives us wool. Option C, lives in water. Option D, grandfather. Option E, to rest and sleep. Number 1, bedroom. Look at your bedroom. Bedroom, a magic word. It gives us wool. Lives in water. Grandfather? No, it's a place to take rest and sleep. So bedroom, it's a place to rest and sleep. And number 2, lobster. It's a magic word, or it gives us wool, or it lives in water. Lobster lives in water. And then number 3, sheep. Sheep is a magic word, or gives us wool. It gives us wool. And then sorry. Sorry is a magic word. It's a magic word. Number 5, mother's father. Mother's father is a grandfather. Now we are going to give numbers for this. Shall we do this? Bedroom, it's a place to take rest and sleep. Gives number 1. Lobster. Lobster lives in water. And then sheep. Sheep gives us wool. And then sorry, it's a magic word. And then mother's father is a grandfather. Now we complete this. Shall we pass on to the next one? Now look at here. Part E. Look at the picture. Answer the questions. Look at the picture and answer the questions. What room is this, children? Sofas are there. Night lamps are there. And then many wall hangings are there, clocks are there, windows are there, tables are there. What room is this? This is a, you find out that what room is this? Shall we look at the question? What do we call this room? What do we call this room? We call this room as a living room or sitting room. We call this room as a living room or sitting room. And then next question, What do we do in this room? What do we do in this room? We sit with our guest in this room. We sit with our guest in this room. Look at here. Number 1, the room is a living room or sitting room. And number 2, what do we do in this room? We sit with our guest in this room. Now you understand this. The homework, today's homework, what you have to do is, you have to complete the book exercises. What are the book exercises? Now we did that. You have to complete in your book the pages 51 to 53. All should complete it and all should send me that. Okay children, I hope you all understand this model test paper nicely. We will meet in the next session. Thank you all children.